We're at the Haunted Mansion of Emily's not cousin.
Yeah.
Not relation to Emily.
I reckon it's going to be damn good, I do.
I hope it is. Been told it's a bit of a fun one, hasn't it?
We have indeed. I'm excited.
We got that?
Oh, she's ripping the hair.
Oh dear.
Oh.
It's not very nice, is it?
Oh. And her mouth open. Oh, dear me.
Oh yeah. Can't see that on the film. It's scare me.
No, it's dead dark. Oh.
Ooh. Look at that. Oh. What have we got over here? Stairs have. What's in there? It's so scary, this, isn't it? You scared, Ted? They're going to come for you, Teddy boy.
This is dark, really dark.
Oh, this is a bit creepy, Al.
I know.
Oh, what? Isn't it? There's a corner. I think it's more. Couldn't see what's going on.
Is this a ride or? Oh, well, that would explain things, wouldn't it?
We've upgraded to UV now, so this is again. It's changed very.
You're glowing a bit, have there?
I'm glowing.
Yeah.
Do not look up.
Oh, it's like opposite of Oblivion.
Oh my goodness!
Oh no, we don't want to look up. Oh dear. Right, let's go this way.
Oh yeah.
We're going here, ghosts. More ghosts. This is scary, isn't it? We could bust all these if we were Ghostbusters, Ev. But we're not. Going there. Well, they're having a nice bit of tea, they are. Having some biscuits and some things. Spider. Ooh. They're having biscuits.
Yeah, there's a sausage sandwich at the end.
There's a sausage sandwich? Oh, at the end? Oh, yeah. Let's have a zoom in on that. That's the worst hot dog I've ever seen. We made it. Oh, no, we haven't. They've locked the door on you, they didn't want you to come in. Nice little balcony, though. It's alright, isn't it?
I should have known. I should have known.
Oh, it's all happening now. Sounds scary down here.
Oh. Uneven floor.
Uneven floor.
Oh, and it is.
Ooh. Oh, and it says it up. I just expected someone being there.
God, he scared me then. Ooh.
This is terrifying, Nav.
Well,
Just throwing it out there.
dungeon. It is terrifying.
Bread, rat soup. Oh, lovely. Rat soup, Av.
Lovely.
I'll have tea tonight, eh, shall we?
Cocktails, yeah.
I don't know where we're going. I finally feel like we lost everyone, Ev.
You've been taken?
You've been taken?
Yeah.
He looks happy though, doesn't he? He's having a nice time.
Considering it's a dungeon, they seem
Oh.
really quite happy about this. Like,
No one's knocking back there.
lost being
Goodbye.
Hi. Oh, door's open. Here we are. Oh, it's bright out here, isn't it? Oh, wow.
We made it.
That was very good. I enjoyed
I
that.
enjoyed that as well.
The Haunted Mansion.
Yeah.
There was one in the other Gullivers, like a walkthrough
There
one.
was, the
I
Haunted
preferred
House.
that one though.
Yeah, me too.
It's just a bit more to it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A bit like a fun house, but eerie and spooky.
Yeah, it was so good and I got scared.
You did get scared, didn't you? Very funny, very funny. But no, Haunted Mansion, we like that, don't we? Well done, we like that.